We've just logged into our Zoho CRM, and the homepage is the first thing that we'll see when once we're logged in. On the left side of the screen is where we find the different modules within the Zoho CRM. So modules are like sections or folders where different types of customer data are stored. The first module that we'll cover is the leads module. The modules to this left navigation, and then click the leads module, and then we'll be redirected to the leads list view. So the purpose of this leads module is the entry point for all new prospects, where we save the first name, company, email, phone, lead source, and etc. So if you want to display more columns to find information in this list view, we can just simply click the manage columns of the screen, click manage columns, and then find any information that you wanted to display. So let's say, for example, industry, and when I click save, we'll be able to find the industry of those leads. So the a lead is someone you're not sure is qualified yet. So what usually happens is to a lead is we qualify it and convert it. So how it also works in Zoho CRM, there are different ways of creating a lead. Zoho CRM as an omnichannel solution is we can get leads from different sources such as social media, where we can integrate website integrations, where once they submit a form or contact form, is a lead will be automatically created here. Same with when you integrate your social media brands or pages. Leads that we capture from trade shows or a bulk import, leads that we're getting from lead generation companies, for example. So another is on events or trade show, where you meet someone approaching you, and then you get the chance to create the lead right away, right there and then. So in order for us to create that lead, as we just simply click the create lead button. Once it's clicked, we'll find the information of that lead that we can fill up. Of course, we can add more fields if we wanted to add more information that we needed, or remove if unnecessary field to remove to reduce time for our lead owners to fill it up. Um, Once we're okay, save button right here. I click save, and here we've just created our lead. And when you go back to the leads list view, is you'll be able to find the lead that we've just created. Now that we've learned how leads works, we'll cover next is the contacts module. We're here now in the contacts module. So normally, once a lead is converted, it becomes a contact. A contact is person you're actively talking to or selling to. It also works like your phone address book, where if you wanted to add a contact that you wanted to contact or save for future reference, simply click that record. In the sample Sage wizard, we find information related to this contact, and when we go back, we'll be able to find this create contact button if we wanted to when we want to create contact. So it's click the button, and then we'll find information similar to leads module, is where we can also import contacts. So we just click import beside in the create contact button, click import contact, and then a sample format will be available for you. The next module that we want to cover is the accounts module. Let's click accounts module. Accounts module is used mostly in B2B, where an account is the company or organization. It helps in tracking all contacts and deals tied to a single company. How it usually works or the linking to contacts and deals. So looks like this. Say we click that specific account, we can find information related to that company and also the contacts that are linked to it. So in this sample, it shows that we can create multiple contacts in this account. It's either we assign an existing contact from our contact records or we create a new contact from this company. If we click the hierarchy view, it just simply shows that these people or contacts are under in this company. That's the same with if we are associating different deals on that company where we can find the different opportunity that we're working on in this company. And that is what we will be covering next, the deals module. A deal represents a potential sales opportunity, and this is what the deals module looks like in Zoho CRM. It can be seen in a Kanban view where you can drag and drop deals between stages. An example here, we have this opportunity, PEP development service. If we drag from value proposition stage to identifying the decision maker, it auto computes from 105,000 sales pipeline value to $110,000. And to create a deal, simply click the create deal button right here and we'll be redirected into this view where we can add the information about this opportunity. Let's say the opportunity or the deal name is called phase 2 and to this account, existing account that we are working on. And with this opportunity, that we're aiming to close by the end of August. And if we're good, we just click save. We can see that there are different sales stages, of course, as we progress with this opportunity. The sales stages changes, and that if we scroll further, we'll find more information that's valuable to us, including, of course, adding notes as a salesperson. This is very beneficial. It can be used as your sales diary to log any of your sales work and things that's related for this opportunity while working on it. Say, and you can add attachments related to it and sort depending on your preference. But if you're good, just click save. Scrolling further, is you'll find more information like adding attachments, the stage history, logging the competitors, adding the activities, sending emails within this record view. In this record is we can log all customer interactions from task, calls, meetings, and emails. So simply click on the open activities and click add new where you can log or schedule task, meetings, or calls. See, for example, logging a follow-up task, follow-up NEA, and a reminder for Tuesday. And once okay, we click save. This activity will be created. Creating activities, you can log under any contact, deals, or account. It helps in follow up and sales productivity. So if it's scheduling a call or setting up a meetings, it can be creating here where those meetings will also be synced into your Zoho calendar. Zoho CRM also comes with other modules that you might use as your business grows. For example, campaigns help you track marketing efforts like email blasts. You can link campaigns to leads or contacts who to see who responded, like this, for example. There's also cases is great for support teams where you can log customer issues and track how they are resolved. You'll also find products, codes, and invoices, which are useful if you're selling products or sending proposals. But don't worry, you don't need to learn or use everything right away because Zoho lets you customize which modules appear. So you can focus on what's important now, and then we can explore as your needs grow. Let's see how all these pieces fit together. Imagine this: you get a new lead from your website, you talk to them and decide if they are a good fit. So you convert that lead into a contact and create an account if it's a company. Then you create a deal to track the opportunity. Now this is your potential sale. From there, activities help you manage your follow-ups and stay on top of everything. So these may include calls you log after speaking with the client, tasks to remind you to send codes or check in, meetings you schedule for demos or presentations, and emails that are tracked and attached to a deal timeline. So every interactions is logged, so nothing will be missed. And this is how Zoho CRM keeps your sales process organized from first contact to closing the deal. Zoho CRM is packed with features, but when you're just starting out, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why in this video, we focus only on the core modules, which is the leads, accounts, contacts, deals, and activities, the building blocks for any sales process. And once you're comfortable with these, you can explore other features like automation, reports, and marketing tools. So if you found this helpful, please let me know in the comments and also what you'd like me to cover next. Thank you for watching.